Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle, and today I wanted to show you this beautiful 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. All right, welcome aboard. This is the SDX 230. This is a 2026 model. This is a gorgeous boat. We've got it rigged up here with twin Simrad screens. You've got your flip-up bolster for the captain. And what's really cool about the design of this boat is access to the head is real easy to get into. They even give you a sliding upper portion to make it easier to get in and out of. You've got flip-flop seats for the passenger so they can sit facing forward and watch where you're going, or they can sit backward and watch all the action behind the boat. This boat has the 6.2 liter 300 horsepower Mercruiser with the Bravo 3 drive, so you can tow skiers, wakeboarders, even towables such as tubes and stuff, and give the kids a good time on the water. So come by and see us here at MarineMax here in Louisville, and we look forward to seeing you soon.